Airclips.com.
Welcome, my name's Daryl. This is Air Chathams. Checking for any distortion on these props. We actually do a little knock test because inside here there is several tubes, gas-filled tubes. Checking to see if they're nice and lubed. Quite often they can be a little bit sticky and we can just lubricate those up. We're looking for oil leaks. A good walk around, you should have hands like that.
Okay guys, let's switch on everything.
Yeah, yep, go for it. All good?
Yep, all clear on the
Indicating
right.
on 2, all clear. Buttons
Guarding. Rising, and we are cleared for takeoff.
Cool, good on the roll. Yeah, right to left if you don't mind, mate.
V1 and rotate. Positive rate.
Bam, here. Flaps up.
And speed is good. Flaps retracting, manoeuvring is 153. As it always did, it always sat about 100 higher than this one. That's going to annoy you all the way there, isn't it?
Well, I don't know. I'm pretty rusty, so I don't think it's going to really matter too much to me.
Rust is in fashion now.
Is it?
Yeah, everything's rusty. You know, cars, they take the paint off and give this rust look.
But they're sort of going away from like metal now, though, so there's no
Probably
really,
is. I'm probably
rust
10,
isn't really a thing anymore.
probably 10 years behind the fashions, don't you think?
Yeah.
All
You
the
know what I
bars.
heard the other day? I was amazed. Apparently bell-bottom jeans for women are back in.
Yeah, I'm
You know,
waiting
the
for
big
those.
bell flare?
I might still have some.
Do you have some?
I might still have some. I might still have some.
Were they yours or
No,
like an
they
Exodus?
were in the 90s. 80s and 90s. They came back in the 80s and 90s.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, flared out sort of.
You have flared jeans?
I reckon I might have some somewhere.
Hey, I would like you to fish those out.
Yeah, if they haven't been used as oil rags.
Why would you wear them as oil rags? They're probably worth money now.
Right, turn clear to land runway 11, Chathams 580. Yeah, look good. 1 red, 3 whites, 300, 400 on the pounds. Look good. +5. Oh, lovely. Yeah, retracting flat.
Your tops.
And
Airclips.com.